Hi, I'm Barry Hinckley. I'm the founder of BeachSweat. And if you're like me, you might have been struggling to make it to the gym every day or to get on the bike every day. Guilt is a great motivator, but it gets really old. But what about inspiration? What if you were inspired to go to the gym? Can you imagine if millions more people were inspired to exercise even 2 or 3 more times a week? The impact that would have on them personally, their families, and of course the world. We all know we need to exercise. We all know it is one of the most important things for physical and mental health. Our universe of very dynamic and world-class instructors are the most visually inspiring instructors you've ever seen. The exercise uncensored, visually inspired fitness, if you will. Some people are even calling it R-rated Peloton.
As a BeachSweat instructor, I feel empowered, and other instructors will as well. You're leading thousands of people and making a difference. It is very edgy, fun, exciting. No day will ever be the same, and I promise you those 30 minutes will go by very quickly. We're gonna add games. We're gonna make you really want to finish the workout and get sweaty, have fun, have all the endorphins flowing, and really make you feel good.
I built a very large technical company that we sold for over $130 million. I'm taking all that experience and my amazing team that I've been working on in the events and streaming space for 6 years. So if we build more studios around the world, think of the impact we can have on people's lives through better fitness.
So as we say in Germany, warum nicht? Why not? Why not join this experience of BeachSweat? Why not sweat with us, have fun, and really get results?
A more fit world is a better world. And our goals at BeachSweat are to get more people fit, not through guilt, but through inspiration. Join the movement, become a founding member, participate in these amazing and visually inspired classes, whether it's a yoga class, a spinning class, or mat work. I guarantee you they'll be the most inspiring classes you've ever attended. Welcome to BeachSweat.